of you have a recipe or a dish that you grew up eating at home that always resonates home? It's hard to explain what I mean by that, but once you walk into a house, you smell it. It brings you back to this memory of when you were a kid. Well, for me, the recipe that I remember the most was enchiladas. My mom used to make enchiladas, different flavors, chicken, cheese, whatever. It was always enchiladas. It was actually one of the first recipes she ever taught me. But what made her recipe different was this little ingredient, animal crackers. Animal crackers gives the sauce a little bit of a sweetness to it that normal enchilada sauces don't have. So in this recipe today, I'll teach you how to make my mom's famous enchilada sauce. So stay tuned. The ingredients for today's recipes are as follows: 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1.5 ounces animal crackers, 1 tablespoon ground chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon dry oregano, and a pinch of cinnamon. 2 cups chicken broth, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, and of course salt and pepper to taste. So this recipe is pretty simple. All we're going to do is take our ingredients, add it to our Vitamix. We're going to set our Vitamix to speed 1 and blend it nice and soft. And then we're going to turn it up a little bit. At this point, we're going to add the remainder of our tomato sauce to make it nice and red. So it's 2 tablespoons to start off with, and then the remainder of your little can, which is approximately 8 ounces, to finish it off. At this point it's done, and we're going to move it to a saucepan. Next, we're going to transfer it over to the stove and simmer it for almost 20 to 30 minutes. At this point, it's been 30 minutes, and you can see how the sauce has thickened up. The smell in the kitchen is amazing. So many different aromas. Now it's time to transfer it over to our bowl. So carefully, we're going to put this in a bowl that we're going to store until later use, where I'll show you what you can make with this enchilada sauce. So make sure you always use your rubber spatula to grab every little bit of it out. This is where the money's at. You don't want to throw it away. All that hard work that went into making this sauce, you want to make sure you get all of it nicely put away. So there you go. That's my mom's famous enchilada sauce. Next week I'll show you how to make chicken enchiladas with this very same sauce. So hopefully I'll see you next week. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to hit the reminders. Leave me a comment. Ask me any questions. Love you guys. Till next week. Bye.